Alright guys, welcome to the week of April 20th to the 24th. Last time we were here, we were working on two-step equations, and now we are working on multi-step equations. I want to start off by giving you guys two vocabulary terms that you guys will hear me saying pretty frequently throughout these videos. The first one is combining like terms. Okay, so when you guys hear me say combine like terms, I want you guys to remember that when we combine like terms, we only want to combine terms that have the same variable and exponent. Okay? And then when you guys hear me saying to distribute, then I want you guys to remember that you will need to multiply the outside term to each of the terms inside the parentheses. Okay, so if you guys see a problem without any parentheses, then most likely you will not be distributing. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the first example. So I have 10x plus 5x plus 3 minus 1 equals 77. Okay, so right off the bat, I know I'm not going to be distributing anything. There's no parentheses to look at. And then I know that I should be combining like terms because there are terms that have the same variable and exponent. So here I see a 10x and a 5x. I'm going to go ahead and circle that for you guys. You know, I'll have to combine these two. And then I see a positive 3 and a negative 1. I'm going to combine those two as well. I do want you guys to take note that I will not be combining these with that 77 because they are on different sides of the equation. You only want to combine like terms on the same side of the equation. All right. So when I combine 10x plus 5x, okay, 10 plus 5, that gives me 15. I'm going to keep my variable exponent the same. And then when I combine positive 3 and negative 1, 3 minus 1, that gives me positive 2. And then I'm left with 77 on the other side. Okay. So this should look familiar. This is what we were working on last time. It's a two-step equation. I want to go ahead and undo that positive 2 right there, right? I want my answer to end up as x equals a number. So inverse operation of addition, that's going to give me subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 2. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other side. Okay, these cancel. I'm left with 15x equals 77 minus 2 is 75. 15 and x are being multiplied with each other. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by 15. Whatever I do to one side, do to the other. Those cancel. So x equals 75 divided by 15 is 5. So my answer for this multi-step equation is 5. Okay, let's do one more. Let's say I have 8x minus 6x minus 5 minus 2 equals 37. Okay, right off the bat, I see that I can combine the 8x and the negative 6x, and then I can also combine negative 5 and negative 2, but not with the 37 because they're on opposite sides of the equation. All right, 8x minus 6x, that gives me 2x. Negative 5 minus 2 gives me negative 7. And that is all equal to 37. Okay, it's a two-step equation. I want to undo that negative 7. Let's go ahead and add 7 to both sides. Those cancel. I'm left with 2x equals 37 plus 7 gives me 44. I want to undo that 2 right in front of the x. Let's divide by 2. Okay. Those cancel. This gives me x equals 44 divided by 2 is 22.